Welcome back to your favorite English channel. I'm Shannon, and as always, I'm here with George.
Hi, everyone. Great to see you again. In our last episode, we talked about how to start thinking in English, naming things, narrating actions, and building small English moments throughout your day.
Yes, and so many of you wrote to us saying that you started describing your day in English. I wake up, I drink coffee, I go to work. That's a big step.
Absolutely. Today, we're taking the next step. We'll teach you how to keep your brain focused, stop translating under pressure, and stay positive when English feels hard.
Let's start with focus. Many learners think they lose English when they get nervous. That's not true. Your English is still there. Your focus just moved to fear.
Exactly. When you worry about mistakes, your brain forgets the words you already know. So our first tip is simple. Breathe in English.
When you feel nervous, take a slow breath and say a short English phrase. It's okay. I can do this. I know what to say. It sounds small, but it tells your brain that English is safe.
A calm brain learns faster than a worried one.
Now, let's make it practical. You can train your English brain anywhere, on the bus, in a shop, at work.
Imagine this. You're standing in line at a coffee shop. In your head, practice the conversation. Barista. Hi, what can I get you? You. Hi, can I have a latte, please? Barista. Sure. Anything else? You. That's all, thank you.
You don't need to say it out loud. Just think it. That's still brain training.
Yes, you are teaching your brain to react in English before the real moment comes.
This next tip is powerful for beginners. When you forget a word, don't translate. Describe it.
If you forget refrigerator, say, the cold place where I keep food. If you forget umbrella, say, the thing I use when it rains.
That's real English thinking. You stay in the language instead of jumping back to your mother tongue.
Each time you do that, your brain gets stronger and more creative.
Everyone has an inner voice, the one that says, I'm hungry, or I'm late. To train your brain, start changing that voice to English.
Start with simple sentences. I'm walking home. It's sunny today. I'm listening to music. Then add opinions. I like this song. This coffee tastes good.
The more your brain hears your own English thoughts, the more natural it feels. Soon, you'll react and even dream in English.
That's a beautiful moment. When English stops being a subject and becomes part of you.
Your brain learns best when you're happy and relaxed. If you get angry or ashamed, learning slows down.
When I first moved to a new country, I made a lot of mistakes. At first, I felt embarrassed, but then I realized every mistake was a sign I was practicing.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you are using the language. That's what learning really is.
So, when you make a mistake, say to yourself, it's okay, I'm learning. That one sentence can change how your brain feels.
Now, let's talk about something every English learner feels: frustration. You study hard, but sometimes you still can't speak the way you want. You freeze. You forget words. You feel stuck.
That's called a mental block. It doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means your brain is protecting you from fear.
Exactly. Your brain says, what if I sound wrong? Or what if they laugh? That voice can be strong, but you can train it too.
When I was learning Russian, I had that problem. I could understand, but when I tried to speak, nothing came out. I felt stupid. But the truth is, I was just scared to try.
So what did you do?
I started talking to myself kindly. Instead of saying, I'm terrible, I said, it's okay, just try.
Even if I only said 2 sentences, it was a win. That kind voice helped me keep going.
That's so important. When you feel frustrated, don't fight your brain. Comfort it. Smile. Take a breath. Say in English, "I'm learning."
And remember, every time you try again, you're building a stronger English mind. Even when you feel stuck, your brain is working in the background.
Yes, and progress isn't a straight line. Some days you'll speak well. Other days you'll struggle. That's normal. Be patient with yourself.
I like to say, you're not starting over, you're moving forward slowly. Every mistake, every pause, every try is a step forward.
Exactly. Fluency comes from bravery, not from perfection. Keep showing up, even on the hard days. Today we've learned how to train your brain to think in English, how to replace translation with description, and how to stay positive even when English feels difficult.
Yes. And if you remember only one thing, remember this. Every word you say in English is a small victory. Celebrate that.
Keep speaking, keep thinking, keep believing in your progress. And if you want more lessons like this, check out English courses on Udemy. They have real dialogues, pronunciation practice, and daily English for your life. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who are learning English too. Leave a comment and tell us, when does English feel hard for you? We'd love to talk about it in the next episode.
Thank you for listening to your favorite English channel. Remember, you're not just learning English, you're training your mind to think, feel, and live in English. See you soon.